Morning all. Last classes we were discussed about flower and anther, layers of anther and microsporogenesis, then pollen rate, that are all discussed. Now we are discussing about pollen allergy. Pollen allergy. Pollen allergy. What is pollen allergy, sir? Some pollen rains, not all. Some pollen rains causes allergies. Allergies, bronchial afflictions. See, in some pollen rains, they cause allergies or bronchial afflictions. This leads to, I say one thing, it leads to, in some people, chronic disorders, chronic respiratory disorders, such as asthma, bronchitis. This is very, very important. Some pollen rains cause allergies, bronchial afflictions. It leads to chronic respiratory disorders in some people, such as asthma and bronchitis. Example, carrot grass or parthenium. Example, carrot grass or parthenium. Another name, parthenium. Carrot grass or parthenium. So these are carrot grass or parthenium not belongs to India. It's imported. How imported? Parthenium or carrot grass came into India along with the imported wheat plant. So this is nothing but questions here. There are 2 marks question. Briefly write about pollen allergy. In NEET purpose, how they chance to ask question. Name the plant which cause pollen allergy. Carrot grass or parthenium. Name the plant which cause pollen allergy, carrot grass or parthenium. Parthenium or carrot grass came into India along with which imported plant? Wheat plant. That is important. In some plant, pollen rain causes, I repeat the question, careful. In some plants, pollen rain causes allergies, first statement. Second statement, bronchial afflictions. Third statement, asthma. Fourth statement, bronchitis. So how options will come? I repeat that pollen rain causes, first statement, allergies. Second statement, bronchial afflictions. Third statement, asthma. Fourth statement, bronchitis. So question, options option 1, 2, option B 3, 4, option C 1, 3, 4, option D 1, 2, 3, 4. So how question, what is the question? Pollen rain causes, first statement allergies, second statement bronchial afflictions, third statement asthma, fourth statement bronchitis. These are the options. Option A 1, 2, option B 3, 4, option C 1, 3, 4, option D 1, 2, 3, 4. So here pollen rain causes these two mainly according to NCERT dictionary. Pollen rain causes allergies and bronchial afflictions. In some people it leads to respiratory chronic respiratory disorders, asthma, bronchitis. If the option 1 and 2 there, you go with the through 1 and 2. If not there 1 and 2, go through the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? This is nothing but a pollen allergy story. Pollen allergy. So some plants, some pollen grains present in the air and causing allergies. That is nothing but aeroallergens. I repeat the word, aeroallergens. So the pollen grain which is present in air and cause allergies, that are called aeroallergens. Example, Chenopodium, carrot grass or Parthenium. Aeroallergens example, Chenopodium, Cheno, C-H-E-N-O-D-O, C-H-E-N-O-D-O, Cheno, C-H-E-N-O, P-O-D-I-U-M, Chenopodium, carrot grass or Parthenium. See, hay fever caused by pollen of ambrosia. Hay fever caused by pollen of ambrosia. This is nothing but story about pollen allergy. Now we are going to explain about the pollen tablets. What is the mean by pollen tablet? See, pollen tablets. Pollen tablets. What is the pollen tablets are? Pollen grains are rich in nutrients. Generally, pollen grains are rich in nutrients. Rich in nutrients. Pollen grains are rich in nutrients. So, they are used as a food supplements. Pollen grains used as a food supplements. Rich nutrients, that's why they are used as a food supplements. In Western countries, the pollen grains are packed as then pollen products, pollen tablets, and pollen syrups. In Western countries, pollen tablets and pollen syrups are available. The pollen grain packed in the form of pollen tablets and pollen syrup. Sir, what is the function of these pollen tablet, pollen syrups? It these pollen products are increase the performance of athletes, racehorses. To increase the performance of athletes and racehorses, pollen tablets are used. This is simple topic, pollen tablet. Pollen tablets, generally pollen grains are rich in nutrients, so that's why they are used as a food supplement. So pollen products, pollen tablets, pollen syrups available in Western markets, Western countries. So these pollen products are increase the performance of athletes and race horses. That is mainly important about pollen tablets. Next story, pollen viability. Pollen viability. Pollen viability. Pollen viability. Pollen viability means lifespan. Lifespan of pollen grain. Exactly. Lifespan of pollen grain. Pollen viability means lifespan of pollen grain. See, for example, when you take the human beings, human sperm cell capacity 72 hours. Lifespan 72 hours. Egg cell 24 hours. 24 to 48 hours. For example, the human sperm cell when released into female body during sexual time, within 72 hours, it need to be fertilized with the egg cell. Otherwise, the sperm cell waste. Same to same, where the egg is released from the female body, within 24 hours or 48 hours, the sperm cell need to fuse with that. Otherwise, it cannot, it lost the lifespan. So that is very, very important. So here also, the pollen grain lifespan is very important. Before lost viability of pollen grain. Before lost viability of pollen grain, it should reach to the stigma. It should reach to the stigma. Reach to stigma. Otherwise, it cannot germinate. It cannot germinate. Then pollen tube also not initiates. So pollen grain before last viability, it should reach to the stigma. Then otherwise the pollen viability, if it lasts, when it is reached to the stigma after last viability, it cannot germinate, it cannot initiate the pollen tube also. So no chance of fertilization also. So that is very important. So viability influenced by pollen viability influenced by humidity and temperature. Humidity, this is the two factors important, humidity and temperature. Pollen viability influenced by humidity and temperatures. For example, pollen viability in different plants having different viability time. For example, cereals like rice and wheat, pollen viability is 30 minutes. Pollen viability 30 minutes. Some members, not I am saying some members, some words, all, few, very few, that words are very dangerous. See, some members of families Rosaceae, Solanaceae, or Leguminosae. So some members of Rosaceae, Solanaceae, Leguminosae family members, pollen grain viability is for months. So this is about the important information about pollen viability. So viability means lifespan. So before last viability it reached to the stigma, otherwise it cannot germinate. It is influenced by humidity and temperature. For example, viability of cereals such as rice and wheat, 30 minutes. Some members of other families for months, pollen viability. This is nothing but pollen viability. Next, see pollen banks. Pollen banks. What is meant by pollen banks, sir? Pollen bank. Pollen bank. Pollen bank means what? Save money, store money. So pollen bank means storage of pollen grains. Exactly. So the pollen grains viability in some plants of different. So that's why the pollen grain need to store in that for future purpose. So that's why the pollen grains store in the bank at liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen at minus 196 degrees centigrade. This is very important. Pollen grain stores in liquid nitrogen at minus 196 degrees centigrade. This process is called cryopreservation. A chance to ask question. Pollen grain stored in the pollen bank. Name the process which is need to be pollen grains are stored. Cryopreservation. What conditions are required for store the pollen grains in liquid nitrogen at minus 196 degrees centigrade? They stored this pollen grain in the pollen bank. It is usually in artificial program. It is used in crop breeding programs. Crop breeding programs in artificial fertilization. Crop breeding programs. So this is nothing but pollen bank. Pollen grains are stored in liquid nitrogen at minus 196 degrees centigrade. It is for future purpose they stored. Then the pollen grains are in the pollen bank used in crop breeding program, whereas artificial fertilization. This is nothing but pollen allergy, pollen viability, pollen tablets and pollen banks. Next class we are going to discuss about pistil, megasporangium, embryo science.